French fries. Let's make delicious McDonald's French fries. Cut the aloo into shapes like this. Soak the aloo pieces in cold water for a while. Boil it lightly. And then take it out on a cloth and spread it. Now mix 2 spoons of corn flour in it and mix it well. Now let the oil heat up and put the chips in it. When it's cooked well, take them out and enjoy our French fries like McDonald's. Ready for eat.
Alhamdulillah.